RYC Essentials provides everything you need to heal your core and pelvic floor with our proven program in a self-directed format. RYC Guided enhances your experience with daily curated workouts, scaled options, and more classes designed for all abilities and body types to keep you motivated and on track. RYC Guided Plus includes everything in Guided plus 2 private sessions with a certified coach, one to kick off your journey and one check-in session to personalize your progress. You can always add more sessions if you want extra support along the way. I recommend Guided for most people because it gives you the perfect balance of structure, novelty, and flexibility, making it easier to stay consistent and adapt as your body changes throughout your healing journey.